everyone, and welcome back to my channel, 2Min Maths. Today we'll be talking about how to divide a segment by a ratio. As usual, let's start off with an idea. You have a string that is on a coordinate plane stretched from point -6, 0 to point 6, 3. Your job is to cut the string in a way that it's divided by a ratio of 2 to 1. And how will you do that? So our goal is to apply the ratio to the rise and run of the line, or string. The steps are to first convert the ratio to a fraction, determine which endpoint to start at, find the rise and run, multiply the rise and run by the ratio or the fraction, and add the partitioned rise and run to the x and y coordinate of the beginning point, or the endpoint that you specified in step 2. Now, this may seem a little overwhelming or intimidating, but don't worry, it gets easier. Here's an example. Point A is at -6, 0, and point B is at 6, 3. And find the point on line AB that divides the segment at a ratio of 2 to 1. This is just the same string question that we talked about in the first slide, just rephrased. So let's use our steps to find out the solution. So our first step is writing the ratio into a fraction. So for this, a ratio of 2 to 1 is equivalent to a fraction of 2 over 3, or 2/3. And for the second one, we would have to specify which is our beginning point. Since segment AB lists point A first, then that is the starting point. Now we find the rise and run. So the rise is y2 minus y1, which is 3, and the run is x2 minus x1, which is 12. Now we multiply the rise and the run by the fraction. So for the rise, 3 times 2 over 3 is 2, and for the run, 12 times 2 over 3 equals 8. So for number 5, let's go back to point A's coordinates, which is -6, 0. Now we will add our new partitioned rise and runs to our new point A coordinate. Now the step is to add the rise to the y coordinate and the run to the x coordinate. And our new point A is 2, 2. Now the reason why we add the rise to the y coordinate is because when you're dealing with rise, you're only dealing with y coordinates. So therefore, it only makes sense to put the rise in effect of the y coordinate, and same goes for the x coordinate. I hope this video helped. Please comment down below any more math videos you want me to do. Have a great day!